Don't just go straight to the answer. Also, when the question is asked and you know the answer already, don't try to answer the question before the attorney finishes his sentence, simply because the court reporter cannot properly transcribe two people speaking at the same time. If you have to give some thought to the answer to the question, give it some thought. Some of the questions that I might ask you, you might actually have to think about because you don't have the answer at the top of your head. It's okay. So let me think about this for a second, and then you can answer the question. So, and the same thing with documents. If documents that are presented to you, if you need to review them for a minute or two, you can say, I want to take a look at this document before I answer the question. And that is fine. Another tip that I will give you is not to bring documents to the deposition unless you're instructed to. And I'll give you an example of that. Otherwise, do not bring any documents. Your cell phone should be turned off during the deposition. And I've seen examples of people making mistakes in depositions that they have their phone next to them and they decide, they ask a question about a specific email or event and say, hold on a second, let me look at my phone. I have my emails here. Let me look at them. When you do that, you're opening the door to they're going to say, hey, you did not provide all the documents that you were supposed to provide. Number two, I'm going to we're going to put a request to have the phone imaged or download, be able to look at your phone and look through your emails because you did not provide all of them. So your phone should be off. There's no communication with your attorney throughout the depo, including text messages, and also not looking at your phone during the deposition. You have to have it on, have it in your pocket. Then during the break, you can look at it in the case of any important messages. That is fine. But the less you don't have anything on your deposition, you don't have to write notepads, nothing. Just go yourself and answer the questions. Because even if you take notes, those notes can also be requested to be produced. So that's my suggestion. Don't bring anything to a deposition unless you're specifically asked to bring them pursuant to a ducis tecum.